This is BioBunny Island, and it's a virtual space designed as a place for learners to explore 3D models of cells and cell functions to teach cell communication and cell organelle functions to upper middle school learners. Through multimedia presentations, an interactive game, and social interactions with peers, concepts first encountered in this classroom in a mini-course on cell function and communication will be extended to this playful learning environment for learners to explore in groups and through game-based learning and play. The videos will be accessible from both Kitely, this site, and Classroom blog, as well as augmented reality triggered flash cards that students can use on their own time. So this is the classroom space. This is generally the first space you encounter when you teleport into this island. The first video in the series is currently attached to the screen in front of me, but this would also be the place where we would have students come to congregate and for scheduled presentations. This is where learners will find a series of billboards with video presentations for each organelle depicted. Learners can view the videos as many times as they like and can move through the island at their own pace. Eventually, each billboard will have a game element attached. Learners will answer quiz questions on the material presented and win points or badges for correct answers. So this is a view of a 3D model of an animal cell with all the organelles in it. Learners can go inside it, around it, and take an up-close look at the organelles. I hope to explore scripting more so that I can make the organelles spin within the cytoplasm and trigger note cards for each organelle that will give a brief description of the organelle and its functions. Near the classroom space, you'll find the first and currently the only portal on the island. Eventually there will be many more. Avatars touch the white rectangle, and are transported to the organelle tower to explore more 3D objects. So we've just portaled in, and you can see the cell tower behind me. On each level, you'll eventually encounter a 3D model of the organelles and a 2D representation of that organelle with a multimedia presentation talking further about cell function. On the second level, you'll see an organelle of the organelle tower. You'll see the large ribosome in the two sections, and at the very top, you'll see the Golgi apparatus. Eventually, given more time, I'd like to include directional signs and assignments so learners are given some guidance to what to see and where to go on the island. So now we're in the arcade area, and I'm on the Ferris wheel. Eventually, once I'm able to explore scripting more, I'd like to actually have some of the games and the rides on the island work and be prizes gained through points gained through the game. So you would be able to actually ride on these rides with points. And here we are in front of the arcade section. You would be able to use your points gained in the game to actually play these, hopefully once I get some scripting working. That's about it for BioBunny Island. I hope you come back sometime and check it out once I've been able to build up a few more organelles, and I hope you enjoyed the tour.